Everyone, so today I'm back with a quick video again, and this time the Bitcoin and altcoins are pumping quite hardly. So let's get into the charts and see if it is a fake out or Bitcoin will next see $50,000 level or not. This few days ago we just saw a huge pump in the Bitcoin's price. An incessant move to the upside we saw in the price of Bitcoin, and we can clearly see, as I was talking in my previous videos, the $36,000 level. The price broke it to the upside very easily, and the price can go to the upside, but as you all know that today is Friday and the next 2 days will be Saturday and Sunday, so no volatility in the Bitcoin price right now. So I will wait for Monday, and next week I will decide to enter in a long position or not. Okay, so guys, I hope you remember this chart right here, this important horizontal line, zone and resistance, this that I mentioned in my previous video. This is at $36,000 level. The price has give a breakout of this, so now if the price gives a perfect retest to the downside, then I will enter long from here to the upside, and then my target will be all the way up till here, this white line at $48,000 level. Talking about the Ethereum trade, I mentioned in my last video that if the price of Ethereum breaks this yellow zone to the upside with a perfect retest or a high volume candle, then intraday and scalpers can take an entry to the upside with your own analysis as well, and risk and money management too. And the same thing happened. The price did a breakout to the upside and approximate met our target perfectly. As I told you that it is a perfect trade for intraday and scalpers only. So you can see I'm on the 1 hour time frame right now, and you can clearly see how perfectly the price break out this channel and a channel of resistance, and then did a retest and now headed to the upside too. So congratulations to all the intraday and scalpers who booked this trade. Still the trade is running and the take profit is here, but now I will advise you guys to trail your trade, so you can put your stop loss somewhere over here right now. So if the price reverses from here, still you will book some profits. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand the main analysis, that right now also I'm not entering in a trade. I will wait for a perfect retest of the Bitcoin price, or I will wait for some kind of confirmation before entering. And do follow me on my Twitter if you want to get updated that when I'm entering in a position, am I entering or not. Everything I will share on my Twitter as well. And yeah, this is it, and congratulations to all the Ethereum traders who traded that move with your own analysis and with risk and money management too. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to trade any crypto, you can do that on Bybit. It is the best crypto exchange, easy to use. You can trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar, Matic, any crypto you want, Ripple, any crypto. So create an account on Bybit. Link is at the top of the description and in the pinned comments. You can create an account on Bybit and you can get $30,000 deposit gift for free, and also you can create an account for free too. So do create an account on Bybit. And yeah, this is just a update on Bitcoin pump in the last few days, and see you guys next time.